Hi everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a signature request using templates with BoldSign Java SDK. If you're new to BoldSign, I've linked videos in the description below to help you get started with the application. I'll start by installing the BoldSign Java SDK in my project. Make sure you have installed Java version 1.8 or higher. You can install the BoldSign Java SDK using Maven or Gradle. I'll use Maven for this tutorial. Add this dependency to your project's pom.xml file. Next, run mvn clean install in your terminal to install the API client library into your local Maven repository. Since I have already installed the Java SDK, I confirm the setup by running this command, which displays the installed version in my project directory. To send a document for signature using a template, you must first create the template, as the template ID is required in the request. I've already created my template, so I'll proceed with sending the signature request. I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the Java code for sending a document using template, and paste it into my newly created Java file. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't created your API key yet, you can generate one in the BoldSign Web App on the API key page under the API section. The template API lets me specify the template and signer's details for the document I want to send for signature. I define the signer's details by updating the signer's name and email address in the code. With the signer details ready, I need to insert the template ID. Since I already created the template, I switch to the BoldSign Web App, expand the Templates section, and select All Templates. Here's the NDA template I created. I click the context menu, select Copy Template ID, and paste it into my Java code. Finally, I call the Send Using Template API to send the document using the template. I run the script, and the document is sent for signature. Now, let's switch to the BoldSign Web App to check the document status. I go to the Documents section and select My Documents. There's the non-disclosure agreement I just sent. When I open it, I see the document ID, status, and signer details. Everything looks good. The document is waiting for the signer to take action. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.